Welcome to today's SeafoodNews.com video, sponsored by the Alaska Seafood Marketing Institute.
A surge in Atlantic salmon production from Chilean producers has squeezed the country's output of other species, shrinking its market presence in Japan along the way. In 2013, Chilean seafood export values to the Japanese market fell 21% year over year, driven by a 24% fall in salmon export values to around $860 million. Last year, Chilean producers cranked up Atlantic salmon production to record levels and shipped roughly 673 million pounds of their product to its top 5 markets. But this growth was at the expense of the country's other salmon operations, including coho, the Japanese market's top salmon import from Chile. Chilean coho shipments to Japan fell 21% last year as global demand for Atlantic salmon trended considerably higher. Atlantic imports surged to the U.S., as did shipments to emerging markets in Latin America, particularly in Brazil. At the same time, prices worldwide were well above 2012 levels. In the U.S., for example, average prices for 2 to 3 pound D-trim fillets were up over 30% according to Erna Berry. So as the global salmon market for Atlantic's expanded, Chilean farmers cranked up their production to record levels, sacrificing other operations and shrinking their market share among Japanese salmon importers.
Today's SeafoodNews.com video was brought to you by the Alaska Seafood Marketing Institute. Alaska has been protecting wild and sustainable seafood for generations and adheres to the most recognized and internationally accepted set of guidelines written by the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization. For recipes and additional information, visit wildalaskaflavor.com.